front of me is AGM H6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Start by opening Clock app. Then hit Alarms at the bottom left corner, and before doing anything, use those three dots at the top right one. Most people miss that you should hit Settings here and adjust all of those for your alarms however you want to, like snooze. When you've finished with all of those, go back and create new alarm by tapping on this plus at the bottom right corner. Set up an hour, and when you finish, hit OK at the bottom right corner of Select Time pop-up to create new alarm. Now let's adjust it. Click on it and pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. If you wanna set up some exceptions, click on this plus next to pause alarm and pick dates in which you don't want for your alarm to ring. Hit OK to save them and cancel if you wanna discard them. Now hit alarm name to label it and select sound. You can log in to any of your sound platforms like YouTube Music by clicking on it here and selecting Login at the bottom right corner to use music from it. You can select sounds to tap on Add New and pick any song from your smartphone, or apply one of those melodies by clicking on a chosen one. Let's go with Rooster Alarm. Go back and click on this switcher next to Vibrate to switch it off or turn it on. Last but not least, click on this plus next to Routines if you use them and add your alarm to your Google Assistant routine. Now to save all of those changes, hit Save at the top bottom right corner, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click on it, change whatever you want to, or hit Edit at the top right corner to select a different hour. Then OK at the bottom right one to save it. If you wanna get rid of your alarm, you use the Delete button at the bottom left corner and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!